Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a gluten-free apple crumble using just these ingredients, and as always I've written a full blog post which I'll leave down below, which will have the full recipe that you can click through to pin, bookmark and save whenever you want to make this recipe. And make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment to let me know if you give this recipe a try. Now the reason I'm making this recipe today is because apples. I found a whole bag of apples at the supermarket for 5 cents, just 5 cents, and they kind of need to be used, so I've given the kids a couple for snacking, and I thought, why not make an apple crumble and why not film it to share it with you too. So I've got 4 apples here which I'm going to be using. I've got some unsalted butter, but if you would like to make this dairy free you can use coconut oil instead. I have got ground almonds, maple syrup. If you want to make it lower carb you could use stevia instead, but I'm quite enjoying maple syrup lately. And I've got cinnamon and toasted flaked almonds. You could really use any nuts you like. I've made this before with crumbled walnuts. I've made it with all kinds of different nuts. You can just crumble them up. I like them flaked like that. So that is what I'm going to do, and I'm going to get on and prepare the recipe for you, starting by melting the butter. So I've got 50 grams of butter melting slowly in the saucepan. I've also popped the oven onto 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit, and as soon as this is melted we'll take it off the heat and move through and add all the rest of our crumble topping ingredients together to mix through. So I've got my melted butter, and to that we're going to add the rest of the crumble ingredients, starting with 3/4 of a cup of our ground almonds, a cup of our chopped almonds which smell pretty incredible, and then we'll do half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of cinnamon. Just depends how cinnamony you want it. I want it kind of in between that, so that cinnamon will do. And then 1/4 of a cup of maple syrup, which I find to be definitely sweet enough for me, but you might want it sweeter, you might want not as sweet, so just add as much as you like. So we'll just give it all a stir through to make our lovely crumble topping. This smells pretty amazing, and you can of course use any fruit you like as well, but of course I'm using those lovely apples today. It's a nice chunky crumble topping we've made here. I'm happy with that. So now we're going to see to our apples. I'm going to be using this square baking dish for my crumble, but you can use a round one, whatever you like. Now for the apples I'm going to pop the core out, peel, chop, and we're going to place them all around our square dish. Just like that, and I've just peeled, chopped all of my apples, filled my dish, and now we'll just pop all of the crumble topping all across the top. I'll just kind of scatter it around and then just make sure that it's completely distributed to every corner of the apple crumble. So yeah, I will show you the completed one next. There you go. Now it's going to go into the oven for 25 to 30 minutes, or until it's nice and crispy and the apples are nice and soft, and we've got a lovely apple crumble which I will show you next. And my apple crumble is out of the oven. It smells incredible. It's so crispy. You can see all of the apples poking through over there, and I'll just let it cool for a few minutes and then I'll serve out a portion. And I've served out a portion. Look at all the beautiful apples and the crumbly topping, and you can enjoy it just like that, or top it with some whipped cream or ice cream or coconut cream, whatever you like. I have got some whipped cream that you can buy in Ireland just like this. It's already whipped cream, so I'm going to pop a nice generous dollop on top, just like that. Beautiful dollop of whipped cream to enjoy with my apple crumble that's gluten-free. And as I said, I've written a full blog post which I'll leave down below, which will have all of these instructions as well as ideas to make it gluten-free, vegan, paleo, whatever you like. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment to let me know if you give this lovely gluten-free apple crumble a try. I look forward to reading your comments. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.